Hello, Hannah here from Graypants, coming at you again with a little bit more content. Today we are going to be talking about the Graypants cloud fixture, which is a custom piece. So let's get started. So Graypants is divided into standard product and custom product, and under the umbrella of custom falls the cloud. The cloud is probably one of our most whimsical custom fixtures, I would say. The main material here is ping pong balls. Each ping pong ball is hand poked and strung with a zip tie. They are then zipped onto these larger garlands that are molded around a wire mesh frame that is then lit from the inside. For color options, you can do a static white or you can do a more dynamic color changing option. This cloud hangs at the Airbnb headquarters in San Francisco. This one is about 25,000 ping pong balls. This is the first cloud we ever produced. And since producing this cloud, we have learned a lot. I'd say that the cloud is very much the brainchild of our designer, Alan. And so every time a cloud project comes through the door, it's really an opportunity for us to refine our process. And when taking on a new custom cloud project, things that are taken into account, like the shape of the cloud. Will it be seen from above? Will it be flush with the ceiling? Does this top of the cloud need to be flat? Where does an access panel need to live? Does it need to raise and lower in the space? What did the dimensions and the budget allow for this particular cloud? Does it need to be more bulbous? Does it need to be more flat? All of those things are part of the custom conversation around a cloud fixture. This particular cloud actually hangs at an art museum in Bellevue. This actually does not have a lighting component. This cloud hangs outdoors. And again, just touching on those finishes between the static white, or you can go with a dynamic color changing option. And the internal that we use for the cloud really changes on a project by project basis, depending on what the needs of the project are and what is the budget. Some of our more recent color changing clouds, this is a Philips Hue bowl that Alan controls with an app on his phone. These are really cool. What you can't see from the photos is that these are actually changing and pulsing all different colors. This is obviously a snapshot, but all of these clouds are rotating all different colors of the rainbow. And then just a cutout from the brochure just highlights the difference between a fixed style of the cloud and then a full-on custom cloud. We have a few ideas about what we want the fixed size to look like, but as always, we are always open to creating something completely customizable for your space. And then I do want to point you towards the Graypants website. If you go to the products page and you hit on the clouds, you'll come to the cloud installation page. A couple of photos that you've already seen today, but I want to just point you towards the resource tab. The resource tab is going to take you to our lovely Dropbox, which will show you images, installation instructions, etc. If you have any questions, please let us know, and please contact your rep. They're going to be the best point of contact for you. Thanks for listening and have a good one.